All right, it's IELTS Speaking Part 2, and your topic is Describe a party that you enjoyed. You will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
The party I enjoyed last time was our university farewell party. It was held just before our 8th semester exams. It was conducted by the students of 6th semester. It was held in amazing hotel in Lahore. The theme of the party was formal. Everyone had to wear black dresses. I wore black dress for the first time and I received a lot of compliments from my friends, teachers.
Come on, yeah?
The DJ played great music and we couldn't resist dancing all night. We all were excited and we had a great fun. We clicked pictures to capture the moments of this memorable night. मेरा sounds फूल जाता है.
All right, that is for 50 seconds plus. So all you need to do, you need to speak more, and it's a good idea if you take down some notes and you speak according to your notes. Like you can pick up one point, speak on that, then pick up second point, third point. This is how you can speak for more than a minute. Another thing is you need to be more confident. I mean, you smiled at yourself, you laughed at yourself, whereas I was serious. So in actual exam also, examiners will not react to anything like that. So you have to be confident and you need to overcome all your anxieties and make sure you speak. I mean, you spoke well, but you finished at around 50 seconds. So you need to go on, practice, and you'll be all right? Overall, your language is good. The way you have performed, if you perform like this in part 1 and 3 as well, you can easily achieve 6.5, and with a little extra effort, you can get even 7 or more.
I'm trying.
Right? Thank you so much.